In this final part of the short sequence, we're going to look at the options we have for exporting annotated images. When you acquire your data using Automate and you digitize the positions, you've got the option down here to digitize an image. If you then select points within this image file, those points will be the information for those points will be stored with that image, and that's the feature that we're going to concentrate on in this video. You can also use Picture Snap app, but that'll be covered in a separate video. If we return to our example data set, and this time we go to Run and Display, Annotate and Export Analog Signal Images, we can see that we do have some images associated with this data. So if we look at the first sample, we can see up here that we can plot the stage positions of various samples, and we can plot the labels, and we can shorten those to more meaningful labels. We can also then plot the sample name, which isn't particularly useful in this case. We can plot a data bar, which gives us the sample conditions that were used for the acquisition. More usefully, we can plot the scale bar, which comes up in the center, so we can offset that to the side. We can change that to white if we think that's more visible, but I think black will be more useful here, and we can change the color palette. We've then got the option to either copy to the clipboard, save as a bitmap, TIFF or GRD file, and the GRD file is the file format used for the Surfer and Grapher packages. And if we go to the next sample, we can see that we have points for these samples as well. Now in this example, I think we would change the scale bar to white and possibly not offset it. But those are the options you've got for outputting your image data, and it's extremely useful to be able to see exactly where your data points were acquired.